Radiotherapy is the technique of giving X-rays or electrons to a patient, restricting ourselves to the tumor tissue and refraining us from giving radiation to the surrounding structures. Radiation is given in small fractions, either in high dose of radiation with in SRS we give only single dose. In other techniques we give multiple fractions to the maximum extent of 30 to 35 fractions, restricting ourselves to 5 fractions a week. And radiotherapy can be given in different methods like conventional radiotherapy, 3D conformal radiotherapy, IMRT, IGRT, SRS, SRT, interstitial radiotherapy. In conventional radiotherapy, the patient is positioned in a fixed position and radiation is given after simulating the patient on a X-ray machine. Radiotherapy planning is done and radiation is given by 2 or 3 simple fields. In 3D conformal radiotherapy, the patient is positioned in a specific position and CT scanning is done and CT planning is done. Radiotherapy planning is done by a computer and 2 or 3 simple field techniques are used. Treatment is given in multiple fractions. And in the IMRT technique, patient is positioned in a particular position and CT scanning is done, and each thin slices of CT scan are exported to the computer, and on the computer all the tumor tissue and the surrounding draining areas as well as the organs at risk are drawn, demarcated, and dose constraints are given. According to that dose constraints, image guided radiotherapy, intensity modulated radiotherapy fields are drawn, and radiotherapy planning is done by intensity modulating technique. Each field is given certain amount of intensity and it is modulated according to our need. Intensity modulated radiotherapy is done by immobilizing the patient in a specific position, and CT scan is done, and CT slices are imported to the computer where the tumor tissue and the surrounding normal structures are delineated, marked, and dose constraints are given. Radiotherapy planning is done by intensity modulating technique where each field of radiation is modulated according to our wish, and the constraint for the surrounding structures is made, and it is like giving radiation only to the eye and preventing surrounding structures. It is like giving radiation only to the spine and preventing surrounding structures. So this is a very precise technique, and once the plans are made by the medical physicist, radiation oncologist will select the best plan, and the best plan is implemented on the patient. Radiation therapy technique involves a teamwork of radiation oncologist, medical physicist, radiotherapy technician, and a nursing staff. And in IGRT, which is the planning part is same like the intensity modulated radiotherapy, but delivery of radiation each day is done only after taking the image of the patient, and the error and the shift in the position of that patient on that particular day is matched with the patient on the first day of planning, and the error is corrected before giving radiation to the patient. So image guided radiotherapy is the best radiotherapy available at present where the shift in the position of the patient is corrected. Rapid arc IGRT, which is rapid arc image guided radiotherapy, is giving radiation by IGRT, and rapid arcs are used for planning, which means the IGRT radiotherapy is given at faster rate is rapid arc. Rapid arc we give radiation at a very fast rate, so this decreases the treatment time. And SRS, now coming to very precise techniques like SRS and SRT, where these highly precise radiation therapy techniques are given to very small tumors of brain or liver or lung, where surrounding normal structures are prevented from getting the higher dose.